Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to type in doodle.com. It's going to bring you here. I'm going to log in because I have an account. You don't have to have one, but it's just easier that way. Okay, and then see, I already made like an example meeting call right here, but we're gonna go to create a group meeting, and you enter a title. Wait, what just happened? Okay, I don't know what just happened here, but okay. So you're gonna enter a title. So we'll put Kanice meeting call. And then you're gonna add a location, and we're gonna put Zoom just because that's where the meetings for any virtual meeting on campus is usually at. And then add a note. Notes are good to add just to, like, you know, but I'm just gonna put an example note of, please make sure you have good internet connection since this is a virtual meeting. Okay, and then you're gonna click continue, and you can look at this by month or by week, but we're gonna do by week. And let's just say we're gonna have a meeting on Friday on the 9th. Continue. Oh wait, let's go back. On the 9th, we have a Kanice meeting from this is on the 9th, so we're gonna put it over here. And it's gonna be at around, let's say, 9 a.m. 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. And we're going to the time zone. Let's change this. No, we need to change this. Move this time zone. Use time zone. So you can even change the time zone if you needed to. But right now it's on America, Chicago, so. But yeah, so we're going to have a meeting from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. and press continue. And then motivate participants to vote sooner. So you can have a poll to see if this time works out conveniently for everybody. So I'm going to put participants can indicate if an option is not ideal for them. So we're going to put finish. And this is where you would enter the emails of whoever you want to be in your meeting, and then they will vote on the poll. And yeah, that's pretty much it.